So you're looking to go on an e-learning platform and you're thinking about Kajabi, and the first thing you think to yourself, this platform's gonna make me rich. Well, I want you to think again, because Kajabi is not gonna make you rich, and here's why. Let's go ahead and dive right in. Hey there, Corporate Misfits. Brittany Darrington here, and welcome to the Corporate Misfit Club channel, where we help digital product creators to build a freedom-bound business and share strategies on how to generate sales and market your business. Now, before we dive into today's topic, I want you to check out the course creation planner that I have for you. It will help you go from A to Z with planning out your online course. And also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up and get notified of some of our upcoming videos. So let's talk about the platform Kajabi, because a lot of digital product creators want to go on this platform and they think that this is going to be the game changer for their actual digital product. It's going to help them to build their empire and so much more. While this platform is extremely great and it can help you do so much, there are a few things that you do need to keep in mind when going onto this platform. Now, before we dive into what those things are, I want you to check out a trial to Kajabi. If you are interested, you can try out an extended trial plus get over $3,000 worth of bonuses that I have for you. You can find that in the link below. Now, the first thing that you need to know before you go onto Kajabi is your content of quality, and do you have engagement? So a lot of people want to create an online course, a membership, a coaching program, and they get really excited about going on the platform Kajabi because they think everything is going to all of a sudden just make sense. But if you do not have content that is full of quality and you don't have anyone engaged in your actual content, well, you're not going to actually have customers. So though you might create your online course, you might not have people actually sign up to buy your product, and that is not going to help you to get to the place of where you want to go with your digital product business. Now, the second thing that you need to know before you get onto Kajabi is that you need to have an effective marketing and lead generation strategy. Now, if you don't have a way to generate leads in your business currently, Kajabi is not going to change that for you. You can create all the lead magnets and sales funnels and all that in the back end, but if no one is coming to your site, it's not going to generate revenue. We want to know how we're going to get leads to our sales page, to our email list, to our actual freebies if we have any, or our newsletter. We need to have a game plan on how we're going to get these leads there. And we need to have a clear understanding on how we're going to market in order to turn our viewers into actual prospects and turn them into leads and eventually into actual buying customers. So if you don't have an effective marketing plan, please note that Kajabi is not going to do that for you. They give you the tools, the resources, the things that you need to build out your sales funnel, but you still need to get the traffic. So think about platforms that you can show up on that can help you to generate new leads. You can jump on things like YouTube, where it's more of an SEO, or you can jump on Pinterest, or even things like Instagram or Facebook or LinkedIn, TikTok. The list goes on. There are several ways that you can implement a marketing strategy, but it's important that you create one because you do need to have a clear understanding on how you're going to generate leads versus just getting on the platform and hoping that they come. Now, the third thing you need to know before you get on Kajabi, because this is not going to make you rich, if you don't have this in place, you need a business strategy. So a lot of people want to jump on the platform Kajabi because it is truly an all-in-one. You can create your emails, you can create your funnels, website, landing pages, checkouts, courses, membership, podcasts. There's still a ton more that you can do. And if you get onto this platform and you just get extremely excited, you might fall into shiny object syndrome, where you're trying to try everything. You're trying to implement everything into your business. You're creating a podcast, creating a website, creating a funnel, creating an online course, a membership, a coaching program, and all the things that Kajabi features, because you don't really have a sound strategy in your business. So if you can take some time to get really clear on what is your business model going to be. Are you looking to create a course and then eventually create a membership further down the line? Are you looking to really hone in on just building out your email list and getting leads? What is your main goal for your business, and what's your strategy going to be? Create at least a 6-month strategy on what your focus is going to be, so that you're not jumping in this platform just trying and testing out everything just because you don't have a sound strategy. Now, it is great to play around with the platform Kajabi so that you do know how to work this platform. There is a learning curve depending on your background, but one of the things that you can do is test things out by making test websites, test funnels, and play around with it that way. Our goal to get on this platform is not only to have our business all in one place, but it's also to build our business empire, to generate revenue, to serve the people that we are called to serve, and so much more. So if you're thinking about trying out Kajabi, it can help you to build your empire, but there's still other steps in place that you need to take in order to build the empire that you're looking for. Kajabi won't make you rich. It will just be a stepping stone to help you to get to where you want to go. Okay, corporate misfits. So if you want to try out Kajabi, I have an extended trial for you. You can find that below, as well as those bonuses where you can learn how to use Kajabi, as well as utilize some things that can make Kajabi so much easier if you're looking to get on this platform. And also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and I will see you soon.
Hey corporate misfits, thank you so much for watching today's video. Make sure you hit subscribe and also give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and I'll see you next time on some of our upcoming videos.